July 14th, card opening. The storm didn't happen last night, but it looks like it's gonna happen this afternoon. So I'm gonna get this done this morning, and then go kayaking this morning, or fishing, or something like that. So we can relax this afternoon as the rain pours. Let's roll for our packs. 4, 2, 3, 4. We have our silver pack. 2, 1, 2. Heritage Hobby Retail. 1 more. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 2010 update. They always come in themes. We have, I don't want to use guarantee, even though that's technically what it is. We should, by process of complete elimination, have our auto in this jumbo pack. Are there 2 ones? We'll go like that. All-Star Game was good. The NL just doesn't hit an All-Star Game. I don't know. They have difficulty winning that game. Although they do not have difficulty winning World Series. Unless you're facing Astros. Fun game to watch. I thought it was quite well put together. The uniforms, plus or minus, that doesn't matter. They're selling merchandise. Evan Longoria, Josh Reddick. That might be a rookie card. Doesn't have the symbol, but I know 2010 update has a couple cards where they're missing the rookie card symbol. And Mike Stanton. Vintage Legends. That card can go burn. Ian Stewart. I hate useless cards. Vlad Guerrero, his son hit a monster home run. Sorta. Mike Stanton rookie debut. Getting closer. Legendary Mark. I do not know if Brian Hatsui marked. Don't think he quite got there. Draft picks. Card your mom threw out. I don't know if my mom threw out Billy Wagner. Keno. Jake Westbrook, Lorenzo Cain. I got a Mike Stanton rookie debut. Not the rookie, but the rookie debut. That's where we're making progress. Cody Bellinger, Freddie Freeman, Justice Willing. I'm like 5 or 6 cards away from completing this set. I don't know. Nothing there stands out to me as a card I needed. Bowman. We have not hit the hit on this hobby box yet. The set is coming along. We got a hybrid prospect of chrome paper, although most of it is chrome. That's getting completed here. Tons of rookies. Asa Lacy, Austin Hendricks, Shoemaker, Puglia, Jordan Thompson. Nothing big there. They're obviously just saving it for the auto and the jumbo. 2 autos in this one. We haven't hit any of them. Charlie Blackmon, Ryan McMahon, J.D. Davis, Mondesi, Rendon, Tyler Stevenson, Red, Clark Schmidt, and Aaron Judge. He scored the first run for the AL. He walked and got hit in. I know. Silver pack or jumbo pack? Let's do silver, because I think the auto's in the jumbo one. It best be in the jumbo. My birthday's National Card Day. Very nice. You got Ozzy Albies. Mickey Moniak. Whit Merrifield. We have an orange auto. There we go. Carlos Correa. Auto orange out of 25. What do you know? We like autos and we like numbered autos. That's a pretty looking card, especially with the color matches with the Astros. Very nice. Well, a 2 auto day? Perhaps. I have not had much luck at all with those silver packs. Contreras, there's Story. Rooker. Hook. I have 2 retail boxes after this, which I will start opening. So we'll move away from the jumbos. I have 1 more jumbo, but I may sit on it for a little bit. Like I mentioned before, we are nowhere near done with Series 2. And we have to plan with all these extra cards I have laying around. And making sure I have at least a set. Heritage. I'm making sure I have like 3 of every card. There's some cards I'm missing. The fact that, and I have some that are 5 or 6 duplicates. Heritage was much more all over the place. Dion. Looks like maybe a gold coming up. Victor Reyes, gold. Gold foil of AJ Puck. And their auto is a rookie, Cody Hewer. Christian Yelich, 70 years, and Tony Gwynn. It's a clean-cut card. Again, color match. Wasn't too bad of a jumbo pack. We did get the gold foil, Sheraton Apostle. The one short print of Keston Hira. Numbered patch of, oh Lord, who was it? Not Joe Adell, but the catcher for the Giants. Numbered rookie patch. We still have a silver pack, technically, it's in there. And the one silver pack had an orange Carlos Correa auto. So not too bad. Anyway, that is all for today. You all take care.